Right. Welcome, 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 welcome. So let's quickly confirm our audios. Let's quickly confirm our audio, then we'll start as quick as possible. Just give me a minute. Let me check how is my audio doing. All right. Okay. So yesterday we looked at several pairs. Among them was GBPUSD, and I told us to expect a sell from that zone and possible look for take profit around this particular region. As you can see, the market has already tapped into that region. So all we need to do right now is to look for our entries, confirmation entry, right? We need to look for confirmation entries. So as you all know, this is a base. These are all base, and the market just expanded from that particular region. So we should expect price to pull back into that particular zone as these areas here. So we're expecting price to pull back there, and we jump in for ourselves. So we're expecting a sell from this particular region. That will be a very wonderful sell. Let me see what 4 hours. That's a very good area to look for that sell. That's a very good area to look for that sell. So as you can see, it's breaking, taking out this zones here. It's taking out this zone, and currently it's on this particular demand zone. So I want to be in trade in favor of the trend. So I would not like to jump in. I wouldn't like to jump in on this particular trade for a buy. So I'll definitely align my setup with this awesome sell that is coming up very, very soon. So I'll expect to sell from here, right? I expect to sell from this zone here down. So I expect to sell from that zone, that region, down, 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 down. So it's going to be a very good fall. It's going to be a very good fall for us. So GBPUSD expecting a sell from that region. Then Euro USD. Euro USD, of course, we've been expecting this sell, yes, this pullback into this zone to buy Euro USD. So since yesterday, so it didn't, it came slightly to our entries and pick up and zoom up, right? So wait for, let's see, can we also look for anything? No, not at all, not at all, not at all. So we'll just look for that fall, that pullback, into this zone and look for a buy. But GPSD, we're expecting GPSD to just pull back into that zone here and look for ourselves. USD card. USD card yesterday, we're expecting this to happen to us. We're expecting this pullback. So that pullback has not happened. So we're still expecting for waiting for that pullback to come into this area, and we're pushing for a buy. USD JPY. USD JPY, the same thing. We're expecting to sell from here. GBP card. GBP card took off. He never came back to give us entries, but let's see if he's trying to do that now. If I have GBP card come back to this zone, I'll gladly jump in. I'll gladly jump in from here. I'll gladly be looking out for a buy if GBP card comes to that region. All right. So that's what I'm looking for. GBP card, then gold. What does gold have for us this morning? Gold, of course, I'll be expecting gold to pull back into this region here. Yes, I would like to look for a buy from gold from that level. Euro CHF. Euro CHF is still not looking good. Let me just take this pair from here. GBP CHF not looking good for me. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Mm. GBP AUD, we're expecting this, but then if you take out this low, if this low is taken out, then we'll be expecting a pullback into this zone here. So GBP AUD, we are looking away. Euro AUD, the same setup with the GBP AUD. AUD USD. AUD USD is in a supply zone. So, but what we need here is a confirmation. We'll need to get our confirmation entries from the smaller time frame. We'll be jumping in for a sell. So, as of now, there is no confirmation here on AUD USD. All we can see here is that price has tapped into that particular supply zone. So, we'll come down to 1 hour to look for our entries. You can see that nothing is happening here yet. Eurocard, there is there's a possible reversal from here. So it actually deep inside this supply zone. So we should expect from 15 minutes, we can be looking for this break of structure, change of character here. So we should expect the market to pull back into this area. Expect market to pull back into that region for a sell to happen. That's what we're expecting on Euro card this morning. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. We're expecting that pullback. USD CHF. There's a fair value gap there, so which is this area. So we're expecting price to pull back into here. USD CHF. We want to see price there and what? Look for ourselves. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. We're expecting price at that daily supply zone. Of course, GBP JPY. We've always waited for USD JPY. I mean GBP JPY here. Still on the way. Then NZD USD. NZD USD. We expect a pullback here into this region. Just taking out this high, so we expect it to dip inside that demand zone, come back to that demand zone, and we'll push in for a buy. So that is the size of our package today. Let's look at BTC. Of course, we're expecting here AUD card. AUD card left us since 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So definitely this one will take out this high. Take out this high. So and we'll be looking for a sell opportunity from there. But right now, this is what we've got, and we'll wait for price to do the needful before we jump in and push in for either a buy or sell. So that'll be the size of our package today. See you guys on Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of your week and bye.